Hello and welcome back to the step-by-step HTML tutorial for beginners series. From this video, you are going to learn how to add Google Map into your HTML website step by step. I'm going to embed the map right after our location information so that it will be available right here. So without further ado, let me take you to the code. And as you can see, we have got this code for contact us page. And now we are going to add our map right after the address information, which started from here. So let's put beer tag here so that we'll have some extra spacings or line breaks. All right, after that we are going to visit maps.google.com and then we are going to select the location that we want to embed. So let's say I want to embed this location as an example, and after setting up your location you have to click on this share button and then you will find this information. Just click on embed a map button here so that you will find an iframe to embed on your website, and you will be able to select the size of the map. So by default it is selected to medium, but you can select to small, you can select to large, or you can give a custom size as well, but I'd love to go with medium size from here. And after that we are going to copy the HTML link and we have to go back to our code and just paste the link here, so that just take a look. We have got the iframe tag started here and ended here, and in between we have got the source and then the location and the other information, as you can see, width, height, frame border, style, allow full screen, etc, etc. All right, so this is how, if I just save this file now and if I just go back here on our web page and reload this page, you are going to see that a location map has been added. Now someone will be able to zoom in, zoom out and find our direction of the location very easily. So that was the process of adding up a location through Google Map on your HTML website, and I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more web designing, web development related tutorials in future. I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.